Oh, it's finally here, guys. Samsung's next gen wearable is in the house. You guys know, right? Samsung has recently launched their newest Galaxy Watch 4 lineup of smartwatches, the Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic, and we got our hands on one of them, the Galaxy Watch 4. And let me tell you, this thing packs some really awesome features, which I'm like really excited to show you people in this video. We're gonna unbox and check out the brand new Galaxy Watch 4. The thing that I'm really excited is about that brand new bioactive sensor, which is also capable of giving your complete body mass analysis. And unlike the previous gen watches, guys, the new Watch 4 actually runs on Wear OS that is powered by Samsung's One UI Watch 3.0. So I'm like pretty excited to see what the watch is actually capable of. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here's our brand new smartwatch from Samsung, the Galaxy Watch 4. The Watch 4 is available in two different variants, 40 and 44mm. We have the expensive 44mm variant. It comes in this sort of box packaging, has the Samsung branding, says Galaxy Watch 4, and even has a picture of the product on the front side. It's available in different color variants. We'll come there in a moment. Let's see what else is written on the box packaging. So at the back side, we've got some details about the product. Like it says it does support Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, has built-in GPS, and as I've mentioned, guys, we have the silver color edition to unbox in this video. So that is pretty much it. There's nothing else written on it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me just tear the seal on the package, and here we go. As soon as we open the box, we've got a brand new smartwatch at the top, that too in silver color edition. Oh boy, it looks beautiful. Along with that, you also have an accessory box. Wonder what's inside. Let me just quickly open that and show you. Okay, so on the inside there's a tiny box which includes a wireless charger for charging the smartwatch, and that is it. Now let's finally check out the smartwatch, guys. The Galaxy Watch 4 in the hands. Oh boy, as soon as you pick it up, guys, you can tell that this is a premium category smartwatch. Just look at that finishing. Very beautiful. We'll come back to this in a moment. Along with the watch, you also have some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. So that is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's get a closer look at the watch and talk about the design, build quality, and all of its features. The Galaxy Watch 4 is Samsung's newest wearable that features lots of features and upgrades compared to the previous gen, which I'll talk about in this video. There are subtle differences between this one and the Classic edition, though I'll cover the Classic in a different variant. Right now we'll talk about this. See, the design looks very beautiful. It's got this seamless design with a sporty kind of vibe with that beautiful gray colored strap. And talking about the display, this 44mm variant features a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a 450 by 450 resolution. And if you ask about the protection, well, Samsung is giving you a Corning Gorilla Glass DX Plus protection on it. Build quality, as I've told you, is excellent, guys. Complete aluminum watch case with a beautiful chamfered edge, and love the finishing as well. On the right side, you've got two buttons. The top one is a power/home button, and the bottom one is a back button. Quality of the buttons is also very nice. I love the finishing they've given, and the buttons also feel tactile and clicky. And if you look in between the buttons, guys, there's a tiny microphone present over here, and on the other side is where you've got the built-in speaker. So because of this, you can even do Bluetooth calling directly from the watch itself, guys. I'll talk about all these features as and how we proceed in the video. And here's how the Watch 4 looks from the backside. Over here, you've got Samsung's all-new bioactive sensor that supports BI analysis also for body fat measurement. And not to forget, the Galaxy Watch 4 is also 5 atmospheres and IP68 water resistance, and it's also military standard 801G certified. We've got some details about the product written at the backside, and that is pretty much it, guys. And talking about the straps, quality of the straps is also very good. They feel quite soft and durable, and best part about them is they're also replaceable. You can easily remove and replace them with your favorite ones. So that's it. That was our first look and complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up and then be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, so I'm back to continue the video. The watch is all set up and good to go, and I've actually been using the watch for the past few days, right? So now I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback about this product. Since we've already discussed about the design and the build quality, now let's start off directly with the display quality. As mentioned at the beginning, the Galaxy Watch 4 comes with a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display, that too with a resolution of 450 by 450, and let me tell you, it has a very beautiful display, guys. Display looks gorgeous out of the box. Since it's got like higher resolution, 25% higher pixel density compared to the previous gen watch, everything looks crisp and clear on the display, guys. Text is like easily readable, and there's like great amount of detail on it. The brightness of the display is also like very good. It's super bright, guys, and you can easily watch the display even under like direct sunlight and bright outdoor situations. No issues anywhere. And since it also has ambient light sensor, it does support auto brightness feature as well. And if you talk about the colors, well, it's super AMOLED, right? All the colors just look rich and vibrant, and you'll be like super happy with the display on this watch. Keeping that aside, if you talk about the other features and gestures, like it does have always on display support, and also raise to wake function is also there. Raise to wake function is also working very well, and it was quite accurate most of the time. Now, keeping that aside, guys, let's directly dive into the home screen and talk about the software, UI, built-in apps and features and all that stuff. So unlike the previous generation Samsung smartwatches, this one actually runs on Wear OS that is powered by Samsung, guys. That means it's actually Wear OS at the core, but has Samsung's One UI Watch 3 interface on top of it, guys. That is like super awesome. This is the first time they've done that. So basically, you've got Play Store on it, and all the Google apps are supported, like Google Maps and YouTube Music and Spotify. You can download so many apps on it. So before we actually go there, let me give you a closer look at the UI and show you how the whole interface on it looks like. On the home screen, this is how the home screen looks like. It's got like plenty of watch faces on board, guys, and you can download even more watch faces from the Galaxy Wearables app or even from Google Play Store. Choice is up to you. Now, swiping down on the home screen brings you the status and the quick settings toggle page. Here it shows you the battery level of the watch, Bluetooth phone connection status, and also has some quick settings toggles. Like you can easily enable or disable Wi-Fi, adjust the brightness from here, airplane mode, and lastly you've got bedtime, theater mode, water lock mode, and you can even customize all these toggles as per your convenience. So that was about the status panel, guys, and by swiping left or right on the home screen, you can easily access all your quick access widgets. These widgets are also like customizable. You can add or remove as per your convenience. On the left side, it shows you some tips on how to use the watch, and then you've got, if you ever get like notifications or anything now, you can access them also from the left side only. And by swiping to the right side, you can easily access most of your favorite shortcuts and widgets, which I've told you just now. First, we've got the overall fitness summary, guys, like how many steps you've taken, distance traveled, calories burned for that particular day. And by clicking on that, you'll get like a more in-depth analysis of your fitness. You can also check out all the summary of like weekly analysis and all that on the smartphone app, which is Galaxy Wearables or maybe Samsung Health. Going next, you've got the heart rate measurement app, and we'll come to this fitness related stuff in a moment. So moving on, guys, we've got the SpO2 measurement level, and this is that unique feature of Galaxy Watch which I was like quite excited to talk about. This is the BIS sensor, which is used to measure your body mass index, guys. You know, it gives you complete analysis of the body fat on your body. I'll talk about this also in a moment. Then you've got stress analysis, and music player is also there, weather, and you know, all the built-in sport modes and sleep tracking and these sort of stuff. So that's it. These are the current widgets that I have set on my watch. Now suppose if you want to access all the built-in apps and features on the smartwatch, then you can easily do that by swiping up on the home screen. And there you go. Now you can easily access all the built-in apps and features. So this is how the launcher on the Galaxy Watch 4 looks like. It's got a new and unique design, guys, compared to the previous gen smartwatches. Lots of apps are there, guys. Now most of these are like built-in only. I didn't download most of them, like the Google apps. You've got Google Play Store, Google Maps is also there. That means the watch comes with like built-in GPS plus GLONASS plus Galileo. Everything is there, right? So you can even do navigation right through the watch only. That is like super awesome. And not to forget, since the watch also comes with like a built-in speaker and a microphone, it does support Bluetooth calling as well. That means you can directly call anybody in your contacts and talk to them through the watch only. Compass is also there on this thing, which was missing on the previous edition Galaxy watches. And then you've got Bixby voice control also. So basically you can ask Bixby to do anything, like maybe control your watch brightness or ask it to play some songs, or maybe you can ask some general knowledge questions, anything related to the internet, and that will give you the results. Then you've got the settings, and you've got all the general functions like alarm, stopwatch, timer function is also there. A voice recorder function is also available. A built-in music player. I've told you, right, the watch comes with like 16 GB of onboard storage, and that means you can store your favorite songs on it and listen to the music through the built-in speaker, or you can even connect your TWS to it because it's got Bluetooth 5.0 on board, and you can listen to all your songs through the TWS also without needing to carry an extra smartphone with you whenever you're going out or maybe whenever you're doing your workout activities. And not to forget, it also has a gallery on it, guys. You can even store all your favorite pictures on the watch and, you know, check them out whenever on the go. And that is pretty much it, guys. These are all the features and apps available on it. You do have a calculator also. And if you want like more apps now, just head over to Google Play Store and download whatever is available or whatever you want. So that's it guys, that was about the built-in apps and features. And now if you ask about the performance, well, I've told you right, this watch is powered by Samsung's all new Exynos W920 dual core CPU that is clocked at 1.18 gigahertz, which is like based on a 5 nanometer process, and it's like a lot more faster compared to the previous generation wearable CPUs made by Samsung. So the performance is pretty good on this watch. The overall app navigation, transitions, opening, everything feel like smooth and fluidic on the watch, and I didn't face lags or stutters also. Very rarely guys, that too when lots of apps are loaded in the background now, that time you might feel like a slight sluggish, but once you clear everything out from the multitasking section, the watch runs very smooth most of the time. And if you ask about the RAM and the built-in storage, the watch comes with 1.5 GB of RAM and onboard 16 GB storage. You can store a lot of things like maybe photos or music files, or you can even download lots of apps guys. Plenty of storage and sufficient for a watch. So that's it guys, that was our complete overview on the UI, software, built-in apps and features. Now let's talk about the health related functions. Now this is something I was quite eager to talk about because Samsung's new Galaxy Watch 4 comes with their all new BIS sensor, and BIS stands for bioelectrical impedance analysis, and this will help you give like a complete analysis of your body fat. Like it will give you how much water content is there, how much extra fat do you have, how much skeletal muscle do you have, and all that stuff. Now you might be wondering, how does a simple watch give all that analysis of your body when you're just wearing it on your wrist? See, let me tell you, you see these two buttons on the watch, right? These two are actually electrodes guys, and the function is very simple. Whenever you enable this measurement feature on your watch, right, you'll have to place both your fingers on these two buttons, and the watch will actually pass weak electrical signals through your body, and that is used to measure voltage and in turn used to calculate the overall impedance in your body. Impedance like means resistance of your body, and that will give you a complete analysis like how much body fat do you have, how much skeletal muscle is there, how much water content is there, and how much you should have also. It will tell you on a rough scale. It's actually a very useful feature guys, because looking at this now, you can keep changing your workout activities, or you can increase or decrease how much workout you should do to keep like a proper body index. Very useful function. And keeping that aside, you also have all the other stuff like heart rate measurement is there, blood oxygen SpO2 level measurement is there, stress level measurement is also there, and all these functions were working well and giving accurate results most of the time. And not only that, it also features advanced sleep monitoring. That means along with the usual sleep monitoring function, it can also measure how much blood oxygen levels are maintained during your sleep time, and it can also detect your snoring activity guys. It literally can record that snoring sound and at what time you were doing, and give you a complete analysis on Samsung Health app. Very interesting. So these are all the health features available on the new Galaxy Watch 4. Now let me show you how you receive call and message notifications on this watch. For this now you'll have to definitely be connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and this is how you receive message notifications either on social media or a direct SMS. And best part is you can even reply to these messages directly from the watch guys. And let me just show you a small demo on how this thing works. So that was about the messaging part, and coming to the calling feature, I've told you right, the Watch 4 has like a built-in speaker and microphone, so you can directly answer all the calls that you get on your phone from your watch itself. You don't even need to take your phone out of your pocket. Quality of the mic was nice, it was doing good job. The other person was able to hear me and understand what I was speaking. But coming to the built-in speaker quality was fine. It was producing good clarity with minimum distortion, but I felt the speaker output was a bit less. Unless you are in like complete quiet environment now, I don't think the audio output will be that much audible, especially if you're like in outdoors and there are loud noises in the environment. Then it might be a bit difficult to hear and understand what is coming through the speaker. Just check out this small demo where I'll play some music on the built-in speaker and show you how it sounds like. And wait a second, I actually forgot to mention about the fitness and sport activity detection. Galaxy Watch 4 supports more than 90 plus sport activity tracking, which include walking, running, trekking, and a lot of different sport activities as well. And it also has auto workout detection. That means it automatically starts measuring your workout whenever you do workout, guys. You don't need to go into the settings and manually toggle that thing. So pretty nice feature. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. Both the 40mm and 44mm variants come with different battery capacities. My 44mm variant features 361 mAh battery, and I'd say the battery life was like decently good considering the level of features it was offering. See, on a moderate kind of usage with the brightness set to like auto, and you're using all the other features moderately, like once in a while doing workout activities, always on display turned on, and heart rate measurement also, and you're doing BI analysis also. With these sort of stuff, you can expect around like 1 to 1.5 day of battery life, guys. But if you're using it extensively with all the sport activity tracking, continuous HR measurement, continuous fitness related features, then you can only expect around like half to three-fourth day of battery life. But not to worry, you do have fast charging support available on this, and the brand says that a 30-minute charge will offer you almost like 9 to 10 hours of battery backup. Well guys, that was my video on Samsung's newest Galaxy Watch 4. It's a beautiful watch with a gorgeous Super AMOLED display, full IP68 waterproof, nice healthy features, and I kinda like the new Wear OS with Samsung's UI on top of it. Quite smooth performance also. See, if you're looking for an all-rounder smartwatch that is capable of doing things without the need to take out your phone around the price of under 25,000 rupees, then this is might what you want to get. The only few things I felt were the bezels on the watch could have been a bit thinner considering the modern age, and also as mentioned in the video, built-in speakers output is a bit less. Apart from that, everything else was great. The pricing for the Watch 4 starts at 23,999 and the classic variant starts at 31,999. On top of that, Samsung is also offering some pre-booking offers worth 9,000 rupees where you'll get 3,000 rupees cashback and 6,000 rupees worth e-voucher. Links for all of these will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about the product. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.